Okay, it's been a while since we've done some track work, and the spaghetti bowl here is getting really beat up, and we have got to get in here and do some work on it. One, we got to replace this temporary piece. It's been temporary for a long time, and I think we'll take this one out and put a different one in. This is a little more than a number 5. I think we're going to back it up to here. Put in one so I can get a smoother curve in here. It's getting so beat up, and now we're starting to have derailments and things. Okay, so here is an NMRA gauge, and let's see. This is a Mark IV. The current one is a Mark V. I got Mark V over there, but they're pretty much the same. Let me show you something here. Okay. It has on the bottom edge here, that's track gauge. So you put that in there, it should fit right in there. It tells you that your track is engaged, and it is. Here is an important one, since these switches over here are all, I just bench laid them freehand. It's time we check flange ways. So on the opposite end are these two nubs. Now, I can tell you right now, so when I put it right here, it's in, here's a flange way right here, where this guardrail is. Okay, this gauge, I should be able to run through here all the way, but I can't. It's tight. It's tight in a couple spots here. So I'm going to do some grinding. I'm going to loosen this up. I'm just going to take a little cutoff wheel here, and I'm going to loosen up this guy, and I'm going to probably do a little work on this frog here, and then we'll check these flange ways down here. I think they're pretty good to go. It wouldn't hurt to loosen them up. We could loosen this one up just a little bit right here. It'll give us better track work. But this is going to be, now I'm not going to build it today, so I'm going to loosen up a little bit. Now, the other thing we need to check is our points are getting so beat up right here, they're starting to cause derailments. And so we're going to check our points. Oops, there's our points. Little tight. Little bit tight there. A little bit bent and beat up. It's still good, but it's really beat up. And this flange way right here, there's no way that's going to pass. Nope, it's not going to pass. So we gotta fix that too. So do some grinding. This part is going to stay. And right here where I put on this little temporary piece, I'm going to build a whole new, picture right there. Because this gets used more than any other thing on the layout. This gets used all the time. And it's really taken a beating, and it shows. So we'll get that straightened out. We'll probably fix up the looks of it a little bit. And then we should be good to go again. We'll do some track maintenance for a while before we begin the next really big project. And that project is going to be this year's contest locomotives. I think we're going to go ahead and fully scratch build 5 locomotives. That's the goal. Fully scratch build. I mean, trucks, gears, everything. But I'm not going to cut my own gears, but we're going to build a gear train for our own trucks. And we're going to fabricate everything. And we'll put it together. Alright, well that's where we're at right now.